Did you know that there are certain keyboard exercises that have an enormous power to make us feel good and make us feel calmer? I want to give you this lesson as a gift. I want to teach you what these exercises are. So let's get to our lesson, which is going to make you feel very good. Whenever you're wanting to relax, wanting to calm down, keep this video saved and you can listen to it and do this lesson. It'll also help you have more technique on the instrument. First, we're going to adjust our posture, sit at the instrument at the correct height, and we're going to think. Now is now, and later is later. It's a very simple phrase, but try to forget all your worries, all the things that are weighing on your heart, and just stay here with me and this lesson. And concentrate as much as you can on listening to the sound of the keys you're going to play now. First, we're going to do a warm-up with the right hand. We're going to play the notes from C to G. And when we go up, we'll take a deep breath. And when we go down, we'll let the air out. Let's do the same thing with the left hand. We did our warm-up. We repeated it 5 times. All right, so before we do anything else, we're first going to play the S major 7th chord just to get started. Look how beautiful. The name for this is an arpeggio, guys, because we play one note after the other within the same chord. So we're going to do the F major 7th, FAC. I'm using the pinky, finger 5, 3, 2, 1. Then I can pass the pinky over again. Pinky. With the right hand, I'll start with the thumb on F and then the second finger. The notes are F, A, C, and E. Notice that the F major chord is F, A, C, right? And I added a 7th, which would be E. You'll first practice with your left hand very slowly. Then, only after you're able to do it at this speed here, you'll add the right hand. And then you'll try to put both hands together. It's very important that you do this practice very slowly, respecting your own pace. Tell me, everyone, what does this chord remind you of? Leave it here in the comments for me. It reminds me of a warm summer night, that moonlight, the tranquility of having finished the day. Leave in the comments what this chord reminds you of. And now we're going to finish the lesson by playing it. If you have a pedal on your instrument, hold the pedal and let's let this sound ring out. Take a deep breath. Let it out. And we'll release very slowly until the sound itself stops, goes silent. You'll do this 5 times with the right hand and 5 times with the left. At first, for those starting out, the handspan will be difficult. Try to control your wrist to stay at the height of the instrument, and you'll soon get the hang of it. I hope to see you subscribe to my new channel, and I also really want you to be my student in my complete keyboard course. I left the link here in the comments.